Hello, everyone. This is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today, we're going to talk about interest rates and specifically mortgage rates. As of right now, the mortgage rates are starting to drop again. So many banks are starting to see them in the fours again. And we're starting to see that fluctuation mainly because of the housing market. It's now becoming more of a buyer's market. Prices are coming down, but prices will not come down as much as they have come up. In most areas, on average, they've seen anywhere between a $30,000 to $50,000 increase in equity. But on average, as far as price drops, we've been seeing an average of about $300 to $7,500. So of course, you won't see prices come down that much, even if they do deem this as a recession. Foreclosures are up, but job losses are down. So that means that people are making the money, but the people who are not able to simply make their mortgage payments are just the people who just aren't able to make their mortgage payments. But the good news is that as long as there's income coming in, they do have options either to get caught up on the mortgages, to get a part of some plans. Some state have some recovery plans, and some of them are even considering selling. But for those who are just traditional sellers, they are starting to drop the prices on their homes. They're getting a little antsy. They're getting a little bit of impatient, and homes are starting to sit longer than that, 7 to 14 day window. Now it's starting to wait on average 14 to 30-day windows. So just keeping an eye on that. That's normal, especially when school's about to start and you're going into, the holiday seasons now starting to kind of, start. It's getting a little bit cooler outside, for most of the states and things of that sort. So all of that plays a role. Summertime is always the boom, for pretty much everything. Everyone's trying to lose weight. Everyone's trying to get out the house. Everyone's trying to go out and buy something. That's just a summertime feel. But now we're starting to dip into going to that fall season. And that's where the retailers really start picking up. When people start buying things again, but not as much as trying to go into credit obligations, especially with the market now shifting from sellers to buyers. Buyers are now starting to look for more credits that the sellers are now giving, and so the interest rates have to keep up with things like that, because the interest rate go too high, you're going to lose a lot of the marketplace as well. So something to keep an eye on. Keep in mind, we're not too far off of 2019, 2018. That's when it was pretty much a buyer's market. The interest rates were somewhere between about 4% to 4.5%. So everything's starting to look the same. And then, of course, you had, buyers that were able to get on average $5,000 to $8,000 worth of credits. We're not there yet, but we're getting close to that $3,000 to $5,000 on average of credits that are being given. And that's homes that are being sold between $150,000 to $250,000. So if you're looking to get some closing cost credits, now is the time to consider buying. Okay, guys. So, of course, if you like this video, like it, you want to share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe, as we got nothing but great content on the way. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.